All of the supplies that I'm using for today's video is from Amazon, so if you'd like to use the same ones that I'm using, they'll be linked down below. I have this hot glue stick set, and it comes with 100 of them. Got this cute gold butterfly decoration thing. It also came with some crowns, which I thought was really adorable. I also got a set of these ribbons. This is how much it comes with. I think it should be enough for today's project. And of course, some skewers. You can use a shorter one, but these are all I have in the house. They're this big. There's also these ones that are shorter, which I think would work much better. For sizing, I like to use a debit card or a gift card or whichever regular card to use to measure them. All you do is you fold it back and forth 14 times so that you get 14 petals. Start with this dark blue one. Your card and fold it in 14 times. So 1, 2, oh shoot, 2, 3. Now you cut it on the ends. And then for your petals, you want to fold this like this. And then inwards, so that it looks like this. Let me show you without burning my fingers. Make sure there's a gap in between both of them. Then this is how it looks. Now you just repeat this for all of the other strips that you cut, and I'll get back to you once that is finished. These are all the petals that I made with the ribbons. I didn't have as many ribbons as I thought I did, so hopefully this is enough for one flower. You want to take 2 petals and then glue the ends together like so. Glue down together. It should look something like this. And you grab your skewer and you hot glue it to the end and then all the way around. First I'll place it here, place this right on top, across the bottom. Close this together so that it closes all the way. You want it to be straight until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you want to lift it a little bit so it's like this. And at an angle makes it look like this. Now we get another petal and we put glue right in the middle. Right where the end of that petal was for when you wrapped it around the stick, you're gonna place the middle directly on that end. Put your corners in, but you go upwards when you glue it down. Put a little glue, lightly. What you have to do is repeat those steps until you finish using all the petals, or until as big as you'd like it to be. This is the result. It's super cute in my opinion. And there you go.